so tall, his face.
Hey, what's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. For those who don't know, my name is Aries Nicole. Today is kind of like a free day for me. It's Saturday. I have a lash appointment and I'm about to leave out in a couple minutes because I'm actually running late. So I'm gonna eat real quick and then head out, and then when I get back, I don't know if I'm gonna go to the pool because I haven't been able to like actually enjoy the pool since I moved into this apartment. I don't know if I'm gonna go to the pool or just like find a cute little park and do like lunch or something, because at least the park I can take my dog with me. The pool I can't take my dog, so I'll see when I get back. The goal is to just get out of the house, so yeah, let's go.
2 hours later.
Alright, so lashes are done. I went for a shorter set this time. This is what it looks like. My girl eats every time. Alright, so I just got home and I took a look at the pool and it looks pretty empty for now. So I'm about to find my swimsuit, get ready to go to the pool area for a little bit, and then chill out. So I got my swimsuit on. I got this swimsuit from Shein a couple years ago. I got this cover up from Marshall's. It's just like a sheer little, I don't know what to call it, but it's kind of see-through, but it's super thin, so it's great for like when it's hot outside. You don't want to feel like you got on too many clothes, so it looks like this. But because my butt is out and I don't really want to be just walking around with my butt out, I'm gonna put some shorts on. Alright, so I got this bag from my mom a couple years ago. It's kind of like my traveling bag or my overnight bag, but it's gonna fit everything I need because it has like a little laptop sleeve in here. So I'm gonna take my laptop, my notepad, so I can do some content planning. I'm definitely gonna take this, and then this is one I'm gonna like dry my body off with. Alright, so now I'm gonna do a little fruit bowl to take with me. I have some watermelon, some honeydew, and some strawberries. The grapes I had they didn't go old, but like half the bag was rotten, so I just didn't feel comfortable eating them. So I'm just gonna do a little bowl, grab a banana, and then take that with me, and then I'll probably eat when I get back because I'm not really hungry right now, but I'm trying to hurry up and get there before the kids, all these neighborhood kids, show up. So all right, so I got my backpack. I threw on my little white Birkenstock dupes. I don't even know where I got these from, but I know they were super cheap. Got my bag, about to grab my fruit. Put baby girl in her little carrier. She don't even know I'm about to take her with me. She don't even know. Look at her, she just waiting to say goodbye. But about to put her in the carrier, and then we heading to the pool, so bye. Alright, so it's super hot out here, super sunny, but it feels good, so. So I had to come back under my little ghetto tent that I made. Because Winter is barking and crying and whining every time I get in the pool. If I go too far, she can't see me. And she's literally hiding under the chair right now. So I'm probably gonna get in the water one last time. It's so hot out here. It's like 96 degrees. It's so hot. But it feels good when the breeze do blow. So probably gonna get in the water one last time, and then we're gonna dip out. I'm gonna go shower and make some lunch. So alright, good morning, welcome back to my page. I'm talking a little low because my boyfriend's still asleep, but it's Sunday and I'm about to start cleaning. So a couple things I need to do today. The goal is to get this house as clean as possible. I've been putting off a couple things for a minute now, and it's just time that I go ahead and knock it out. First things first, how I clean, I knock out the bigger rooms first, and I always leave my bedroom last because normally all I have to do is make my bed or pull any laundry out of there, wipe everything down. But like the kitchen is a mess. Bathroom, I want to deep clean. My biggest goal today is to tackle my balcony. you know, pollen and all the leaves and dirt. I need to clean off and wipe down my little seating area out there, kind of sweep if I can, and just clean up out there so that I can sit down and work out there if I want to, because it does feel good outside. The weather's been pretty good. So that's a goal. And I also want to clean out my little storage closet out there as well. So I'm about to turn on the TV because I can't clean in silence, and then we're gonna get started. So no lie, you guys, it was so hot out here and my camera started to overheat, so I didn't get to film, but I did clean out this closet and I wiped down my seats and everything. I laid this towel here because my dog likes to climb up here, and there's no telling if she's gonna like shit on my thing or not, and she'll only climb up here because that's where it's shady. So I left that on there just in case she does. Slept. I'm gonna have to like clean out here later, but other than that, this is it. Okay, so I'm finally done cleaning. It's so hot outside, like I don't know what possessed me to say, oh yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and clean my balcony in this 98-degree weather. I don't know what possessed me to do that, but never again, never again. So done cleaning. I'm waiting for my shower curtain. I had to wash it. I'm waiting for it to finish drying, and then I'm gonna put it up and hop in the shower, and then I'm chilling for the rest of the night. Like, that's it. I tried filming today and it was such a flop, so I don't know what this video is gonna look like, but honestly, I have no more in me. Like, I literally need to like reset myself. My skin feels so dirty right now. Like, I'm literally laying on a towel over my bed because I don't want to like get anything on my bed, but I just need a shower and I just need to sit. I I haven't eaten since this morning, so I'm probably gonna make something to eat for lunch or something. But yeah, y'all, I tried, and I'm gonna go ahead and edit this video and put it up anyway, because like content is content. Like, you don't waste anything. But this was not my best, but for those who stuck around and enjoyed it, thank you so much. And I'm gonna try this again. I'm gonna try this again, I promise. But today was a lot. Okay, today was a lot. So I will see y'all in the next video. Bye.